I am Advocate D.S. Wadir, Secretary Mumbai Housing Federation. I hereby congratulate and appreciate to the government of Maharashtra regarding they have taken some of the decisions, very important decisions in respect of the general body meetings, audit departments and appropriation of the profits. COVID-19 is a very problematic issue raised in this country and all over world. But we being the Indians and the government of Maharashtra are facing very actively, nicely, properly so that the problems are coming down. But as well as when considering the functioning and discharging the duties of the cooperative housing societies, the housing societies management has to discharge its duties within the time limits and as per the Act rules and bylaws, whereby the society has to complete the audit report on or before within the 4 months from the end of the year, and the general body meeting is to be conducted on or before 30th September. But now due to the COVID-19, the situation is very different and the society is not able to call general body meeting and they are not able to get the audited of their balance sheets. Then in this situation, I have to appreciate that we the board of directors of the Housing Federation met several times to the cooperative departments and Deputy CM Uddhav Thackeray, our very active and dashing leader, our leader Ajitdada Pawar, cooperative minister Balasaheb Patil, and we have written so many letters because so many societies are facing so many problems in conducting the general meeting, conducting the audit reports and all these things. See, in this situation, I have to appreciate that government of Maharashtra had taken one more decision earlier that the committee meeting can be called on as per online or on digital lines. That circular has been taken out on 24th of April 20. Thereafter, we have made representation for calling the special meeting or the audit is to be completed within stipulated period, but it is not possible due to this COVID-19 problems. So government has taken on 14th of October that they have taken very nice and very active, very proper decision that now under the situation of COVID-19, the society can take the decisions, whatever the wasted with the general order meetings in the managing committee. What are that decisions? Under section 65, the society has to declare its appropriation of profits. Appropriation of profits can only be decided in the general order meeting. But due to you are not calling the general order meeting, so it cannot be decided. So under section 65, it has been amended. That means they have passed the cabinet minister's decision for this section 65. Thereafter the other section is section 75, wherein the society has to complete the audit within 4 months from the date of the end of the year, which is not possible. Thereafter, other thing is that the general body meeting is to be called on or before 30th September, which is also not possible because last year the auditor has been appointed due to this COVID-19 problems and situations. He is not able to attend the audit. He is not able to complete the audit. So for the last year, for 1920s year, society can take the decision in the managing committee, and managing committee has the empower to appoint the auditor for this year if it is not possible audited by the earlier auditor. It is very also important that for the next year, for the year 2021, also the society has to appoint the auditors for the next year, which is now it is to be going to be conducted up to March 21st. Then before that, the managing committee has empowered to appoint the auditors, and the appointed auditors can submit its returns under section 75 within 30 days from the date of the meeting of the managing committee. These powers are vested with the managing committee. So these are the very important decisions taken by the cabinet of the government for the amendment in the acts, and so that amendment of the act is under process, so that it will be easy to conduct the affairs of the society, also easy to discharge its duties. I have to appreciate that because the budget is also be announced. Budget of for the next year it is to be announced. It is also decided by the managing committee. So what are the functions of general order meetings? What are the functions of the committee are defined in the act, but at this COVID-19 situation, general body is not able to conduct it. So herein it is very important, even this act has been amended, wherein this amendment has been suggested to by the government in passing the cabinet ministers on 14th October. But COVID-19 situation is also controlled by the municipal commissioners and the collectors of the district and the police departments. Whatever the norms, SOP has been framed by the municipal commissioners, it is to be very important, and whatever the norms and SOP has been declared by the government of Maharashtra, it is our duty to maintain that distance, 6 feet distance, and conduct the AGM and discharge its duties. So once again, I have to appreciate the decision taken by the government of Maharashtra for to easy functioning of the cooperative housing societies, easy functioning of all the societies, not only housing societies, but the societies registered under the Cooperative Societies Act. Lastly, I am concluding and summarizingly I am coming to the conclusion that the decision taken by the cabinet of the government of Maharashtra on 14th October regarding the powers of the general body vested in section 65, 75 and 81, these powers are vested now in the managing committee, so that the committee can function accordingly in section 65, 75 and 81, and they can conduct the affairs and they can discharge their duties as per the sections which have been mentioned in the cabinet ministers till the act is going to be amended. And this is I have to appreciate on behalf of all the societies and the board of directors of the Housing Federation. Thank you very much.